Course information and syllabus for your online course, Business Information Technology 108, Microsoft Outlook. Hi, I'm Shelley Gaskin, and I am your instructor for your online course that begins Monday, April 22. In the email that I sent to you, you have a copy of the information that I'm going to show you here. The first of the two documents is the course information sheet, which explains all the details of the course. So let's get started. This is a one-unit course named BIT, which stands for Business Information Technology 108. In this course, you will learn the basics of using Microsoft Outlook, which is one of the applications within Microsoft Office that you use to manage your email and calendar. This course is required for several of our Business Information Technology certificates. You are enrolled in Section 33683. This course is only 8 weeks long, so you will need to stay focused and not fall behind. The course ends on Sunday, June 16. I'm your course professor, and although you can email me at this address, you'll get much faster attention if you email me within Canvas. I'll be there looking for you several times every day. My goal is for you to complete this course successfully, because being able to use Microsoft Office is required for almost any job in any field. I will be your cheerleader for the course, encouraging you along the way, because I know you can succeed if you manage your time and focus on success. As you progress through the course, life will try to get in your way. Perhaps you have a job or two jobs. Maybe you take care of children or parents. Maybe you have two jobs and take care of others. We know that. But you cannot let anything keep you from learning and getting college credentials on your resume. Nothing will help you or your family more than you furthering your education. During the course, you will probably find times when computers will be troublesome and internet connections will fail and transportation plans will become complicated and bosses will be annoying and on and on. That is life. You cannot let life come between you and your education. Just take it in small steps, one assignment, one course, one certificate, working toward your goal. So even though life is stressful and unpredictable, keep your goal in front of you. You are the most important person, and you can't help or take care of others until you take care of yourself. A nice thing about this course is that I will be providing you with all of the materials you need for the course. So there is nothing to buy from the bookstore, and you can get started right away. In this course, you are going to use a lot of software. First, you will use Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word, and you must have Office 2016 installed on your own computer. To study Outlook, you must have your own computer. You cannot really use Campus Labs because they don't have Office 2016, and with Outlook, you need to store things on your own hard drive, which is difficult to do on a lab computer. You will also use Canvas, which is the learning management system we use at PCC. This is where you submit assignments and communicate with me, and this is where you see your grades for each assignment. Most courses on campus use Canvas, and if you transfer to a four-year college, you will use Canvas or some similar learning management system. So get used to it. If you want a good job in business, you must be able to adapt using lots of different computer systems. We also recommend that you use the Chrome browser to access the internet. Or if you have Windows 10, you can use the installed Edge browser that comes with Windows 10. In this course, you will learn to use Microsoft Outlook, which is one of the applications that comes with Microsoft Office. Outlook is different from other Office applications that you might have used, for example, Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint. The way it is different is that you don't create files. Rather, you use Microsoft Outlook to manage your email, regardless of who your email provider is. So for this course, you really need to have your own computer because of the way Outlook looks at and manages your email. You don't want your email account on a public computer such as you would find in a campus lab. Also, our campus labs don't yet have Microsoft Office 2016, which is what we will learn in the course. You are able to get Microsoft Office for free and download it on 5 of your computers, Mac or PC. Instructions for downloading Microsoft Office are in our Canvas modules. If you are using a Mac, you can complete the course, but some of your screens will look slightly different than those I will show you. On a Windows PC, you can use Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. You are going to learn things in this class that will benefit you in any job. Again, this course will work best if you have your own computer on which you can install the free Microsoft Office software the college provides for you. Your computer doesn't have to be new or fancy because Office 2016 works on most older computers. What is your career goal? Yes, maybe you want to be an actor or a musician or a nurse or a social worker or a police officer or a hotel manager or a photographer or an artist or a computer specialist. It doesn't matter. You must know how to use a computer for any job, and for sure you need to know the basics of Microsoft Office to communicate with others, to manage your finances, and to manage the data that accompanies any profession. You will learn that in the Business Information Technology program, and we will try to make it fun and interesting for you. What are you doing at PCC? Do you think you're going to transfer to a four-year college? Maybe you just want a better job than you have now. Maybe you want any job because you're unemployed, or maybe you aren't even sure how to begin a college path. Many of your classmates in this class have already declared business information technology as their major, aiming toward one or more of our certificates, which is good because the college gives registration and funding priority to students who have declared a major and who have completed an education plan. You can always change your major, but Business Information Technology has a clear and efficient 2-semester, completely online completion path to which you can move to an associate degree for transfer in business or other associate degrees. So this piece of advice will reward you forever. Get a certificate in Business Information Technology. No matter what your goal is, having, for example, the Business Software Specialist certificate on your resume will impress employers. Get a certificate in Business Information Technology along the way to your AS degree or accounting certificate or your nursing degree or your music degree. Or, like many of your classmates, get a Business Information Technology certificate to go directly to a good job, such as an administrative assistant or business information worker or office assistant. And here's a fun fact. Many of our Business Information Technology certificate completers are now employed by PCC and work in areas all around the campus. And PCC is a great place to work. Sometimes you must take life in small steps. Take one course, then another course, then earn a certificate, then apply the certificate courses to an associate degree, then transfer to earn a bachelor's degree. Believe in yourself and take one step at a time. Although you can use campus labs for this course, it's good to have your own computer if you can budget for it. Right now, Best Buy has excellent computers for under $250. The HP Stream laptop has a very high build quality. In other words, it's sturdy and has a great keyboard. It comes with Windows 10 and runs Microsoft Office just fine. Now let's look at the second document attached to the email you received, and that is the syllabus. And guess what? As one of the first assignments, there will be a quiz on the course information sheet, which we just reviewed, and on the syllabus, which we will review now. On the first page of the syllabus, an example of which is shown here, you can find an overview of what assignments will be due each week. For example, week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on. This is just an overview. Detailed information about each assignment is in Canvas. Each week, you will complete assignments in the book chapters. In some courses, your assignments will be automatically graded for you in MyLab IT or some similar system. Often, you will also have a video lecture and discussions posted in Canvas. Beginning on the second page of the syllabus, you will find step-by-step instructions on how to begin the course. The syllabus explains how the grading works and how we grade class participation in an online course. Be sure to read and study this information. And yes, we have lots of rules and regulations, and you need to know about these, and they are all explained in the syllabus document attached to this email. One important regulation is about attendance. Attendance is based on your submission of accurate and complete assignments in Canvas. If you do not attend for more than a 2-week period, you can be dropped from the course with a W grade without notification to you. Remember, attendance is based on submission of accurate and complete assignments. Just logging into Canvas and looking at the site does not count as attending. Also, if, by the drop with W deadline indicated on the course homepage, you have not completed 50% of the course requirements, you could be dropped with a W for non-participation without notice to you. So you need to take about 25 minutes to read and understand the syllabus. And remember, there will be a quiz on the course information sheet and on the syllabus. So now it's time to get ready to begin your course. Get your computer ready, and if you've not already done so, download Microsoft Office and make sure you have an internet connection. Be sure you have an organized place to work. On the course homepage in Canvas, be sure to make note of the important dates that relate to this course. So let's get this semester started. If you have a question, message your professor in Canvas. Remember, you are doing this for you.